Good morning, this is Anthony the Dad Outnumbered, and today I'm excited to finally bring out one of my favorite drones that I have. It is the iflight Cidora first version that actually only came in analog, and I went and did the not so difficult conversion of making it digital with the CAT-X Vista with the Nebula Pro camera. Actually, this one actually has the legit DJI camera that initially came out with it, and I'm also rocking the LiionRC Devil's Blood 1350 pack, the 6S version. I'm really excited to rip this drone for you. Like I said, it's one of my favorites just because it originally came as an analog drone with LEDs, and so what I did is, just like I said, I added TBS and added the CAT-X Vista, and let's see how I did today. Got a chance to take a look at the footage, and I'm absolutely blown away. The Cidora never ceases to amaze me with its agility and its ability to just be able to handle corners and be agile and have a really good balance between weight and durability. But I'd also have to say that there's a lot that has to be said about the pack that I was running today, which was the LiionRC 6S pack with a 200C burst. It was absolutely amazing. They also sell long-range batteries as well, so I'll include a link in the description below. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. If you're not subscribed, please do. If you like, leave a comment, and I appreciate you watching. Please fly safe.